got a firearm. They got a firearm.
So against 1033.
Roll the windows down now! Roll the windows. Everybody in the car, put your hands. Do not touch that gun. Keep your hands.
Put your hands up.
Keep your hands on the seat.
Get my license out.
Put your hands up now. Front passenger, put your hands up.
Can I call my mom?
Don't move. Just keep your hands up. I see it.
You see it?
Yep.
Yeah. Hey, after you're in the front seat, put your hands up.
My hands up.
Keep them up.
Put him out of the window.
Hey, Siri.
Then we got a signal 0 right here on my side.
On your side?
Yeah.
Who has it? Front or back?
It's in the back.
Back right.
Unlock the doors.
Unlock the doors.
Who are we starting with?
This guy's got a
back
gun
right.
right here. Tell him to put his hands out the
Hey,
window.
put your hands out the window.
Doors unlocked? Hey, you hear me? I'm gonna open this door. You keep your hands out the window. Step out. Give me your hands. Hands. Do not.
Hey, don't move! Don't move! Shot fired! Stand him on you!
Step out. Give me your hands. Hands. Do not.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!